Hey, this is Mark Mori, aka Tuxedo Mark, at various places on the internet. It's 2:03 p.m. according to a computer clock on Friday, March 6, 2015. And there's a bird loose at my house. It's not one of my birds. I just noticed it a few minutes ago that a bird came in from outside. Mishu always likes to open the sliding door when he goes in and out, and the door was open and a bird came in. I just randomly walked into the dining room. Not really randomly, I wanted to type something. I noticed a bird. I thought it was one of mine first. I thought maybe one of the cage doors or whatever had been left open, but no. It's an unfamiliar bird. I chased it to over in this area somewhere. If I can only find it now. Where's the bird? Bird is somewhere here. Gotta find it and free it. Is it behind my desk? I hope not. I have no way of getting back there. Birdie. Is it under the table? Birds around here somewhere. I have no idea where the bird went. Where's the bird? Assuming this video will even be worth putting up in the first place, I'll do a bird update once the bird has been located. It's 2:08 p.m. and that's it. Thanks for watching.